Make sure you guys check out throttle.com for all your automotive parts needs. It's your one-stop shop for performance parts, wheels, cars, and much more. It's free to sign up, so make sure to check out the link below. What's up guys, welcome back for another S12 build video today. Today, as you guys can see, we're going to be completing pretty much the KA, getting everything bolted on that needs to be. So what do you say we just cut the talking and get to work? And yes it is, it just did snow in March, so love it. Sarcasm. Is it? Oh yeah.
It's a 4-1 stroke.
Whoa, we're reversed here, Captain.
Yeah. So that's over. This is what we need. This
alternator gets in the way of that guy.
8,600 of you already.
Going up one, man. How much is that? So medium boost is 50.
Never mind, we got it. Super. Had to bump up the glove game today. It's only like 3 degrees Fahrenheit, so, you know, pretty warm. Alright, so we might as well go for what we've done, right? So I guess we'll just start from the top, work our way down. Valve cover obviously was painted, but I figured why not give the hardware a bit of a cleanup and a bit of a paint. I think it looks and gives like the whole valve cover just a really nice little accent. And even if you do, you know, tend to wear it out when you know, hit it with a wrench or a socket, it's always going to have the clean part in the center and around the edges, so should look nice. I then went ahead and installed the fuel rail, gave that a little lick of paint. I'm waiting on a fuel injector to come in, so no worries on that. You know, got some brand new fuel line going into it. Gave this a nice little quick lick of paint. Everything almost got painted, almost everything. Obviously, as you guys can tell, it's just a really clean, super clean example of a NA/KA. In my opinion, I think it may be the cleanest one I've seen. You know, give or take. But we still have to do a bit of hoses, you know, coolant line work, but as far as assembly and bolt-on stuff, we're pretty much there. Cleaned up his little temperature gauge sensors, you know, obviously went ahead and cleaned up his lower half of the plenum, cleaned up the throttle body, installed the throttle body, cleaned up and, you know, gave a quick little wipe on all of his lines in there, which you guys will not be able to see, which is alright, but if you guys, you know, have been following throughout the little process, throughout the build, you would be seeing exactly what has been going on and how it's all been turning out. We have our water neck with the thermostat in there. Just installed the water pump, and then let's see what else. You know, crank pulley, still have to torque that down. If I'm talking fast, I'm sorry, it's so cold. Like, it's literally like maybe 2 degrees. Maybe colder. You know, bolted his little harness thing there. Got the oil pan on, obviously we painted that as well. Looks really good. Motor mounts, you know, stuff like that under there. Got his IAC going. But I'm trying to think, what else did we do? Little things, you know, PCV, but like I said, you guys would know exactly what we have done to this thing if you've been keeping up. So obviously put the front covers on, stuff like that. So let me know in the comments what you guys are thinking of the way this whole KA is looking. I personally love it. I love the way how clean it looks. Like, I've never really taken the time to paint, and even when I'm done with the whole front cover, we obviously still have to put the pulley on, but I will give the whole front cover another quick coat of paint to just kind of cover all the bolts, just so those are blended in nicely and look new. I gave them a quick Scotch Brite just to get all the grease off them, but yeah, we'll get them looking nice and glossy real soon. So that's pretty much it for this video. Next part in this build, you guys are going to be seeing me actually probably working and just disassembling the motor and stuff on the S12, getting that ready for paint and stuff like that. So that maybe will be, you know, a week or so down the line until it gets a little bit warmer. As you can see, got a bunch of snow, so not ideal. But yeah, I'll walk you guys through all the vacuum line stuff and, you know, take you guys along on my journey through the whole build. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like the video if you could. The editing on these videos has been taking me quite a bit of time, surprisingly. It's like it's about 1 to 2, you know, it's about 1 to 2 hours worth of footage chopped down to like 10 minutes. So if you guys want to just hit that like button, it would mean the world to me. And yeah, as always, thanks, and catch you guys in the next one. Later, guys. The mucus in my nose is actually frozen, so it's good.